Hi, Joy, and welcome back to our English conversation practice. On today's video, we shall be looking at in the park, English everywhere. Are you ready to practice with me? All right, yes, let's do it. Here's a ready to use classroom activity for the topic English everywhere in the park. It's designed to practice vocabulary, speaking, and dialogue skills, ideal for beginner to intermediate ESL learners. Part 1 Vocabulary Things you see in the park. Bench, bench. A long seat for several people. A long seat for several people. Path slash trail. Path slash trail. A way to walk through the park. A way to walk through the park. Grass slash lawn. Grass slash lawn. The green area. The green area. Playground. Playground. The area with swings and slides. The area with swings and slides. Fountain. Fountain. Water feature in the park. Water feature in the park. Pond slash lake. Pond slash lake. Small or large body of water. Small or large body of water. Trees slash flowers slash bushes. Plants in the park. Plants in the park. Picnic area. Picnic area. A place to eat outdoors. A place to eat outdoors. Jogger. Jogger. Someone running for exercise. Someone running for exercise. Dog walker. Dog walker. Someone walking their dog. Someone walking their dog. Useful phrases. Useful phrases. Let's go for a walk in the park. Let's go for a walk in the park. Do you want to sit on the bench? Do you want to sit on the bench? The flowers smell so nice. The flowers smell so nice. Let's have a picnic under that tree. Let's have a picnic under that tree. Be careful, the path is slippery. Be careful, the path is slippery. Look, there are ducks in the pond. Look, there are ducks in the pond. Don't forget to throw your trash away. Don't forget to throw your trash away. The kids are playing on the swings. The kids are playing on the swings. Part 3 Short Dialogue Practice 1. Anna, it's such a beautiful day. It's such a beautiful day. Leo, yeah, perfect weather for a walk in the park. Yeah, perfect weather for a walk in the park. Anna, let's find a bench and have a snack. Let's find a bench and have a snack. Leo, good idea. Oh, look at those squirrels. Good idea. Oh, look at those squirrels. Part 3.1 Dialogue Practice 2. Read and practice the dialogue with a partner. Ben, hi Jane, I'm walking my dog. Hi Jane, I'm walking my dog. What about you? What about you? Jane, hi Ben, what are you doing in the park? Hi Ben, what are you doing in the park? Ben, I'm reading a book on the bench. I'm reading a book on the bench. It's so nice here. It's so nice here. Jane, yes, the weather is perfect. Yes, the weather is perfect. Do you want to get some ice cream? Do you want to get some ice cream? Ben, sure, let's go to the cafe near the fountain. Sure, let's go to the cafe near the fountain. Try this. Change the names. Change the names. Change the activity. Change the activity. Example, I'm jogging, I'm taking photos, etc. Add one more line to the conversation. Add one more line to the conversation. Part 4, vocabulary matching. Match the words to the pictures or descriptions. You can add or draw pictures if printing this. Word. Description. Answer number 1. Bench. Bench answer is letter C. A place to sit and rest. Number 2, fountain. Fountain is letter E. Water comes out and falls beautifully. Number 3, playground. It's letter A. A place where children play. A place where children play. Number 4, path. Answer is letter B. A path for walking. Number 5, tree. Answer is letter F. Has leaves and gives shade. And number 6, grass. It's letter D. A grassy area for picnics. Part 5, speaking prompts. Ask and answer these questions with a partner or in a small group. 1. Do you often go to the park? Why or why not? Do you often go to the park? Why or why not? Number 2, what do people usually do in the park? What do people usually do in the park? Number 3, what can you see and hear in a park? What can you see and hear in a park? Number 4, what's your favorite thing to do in the park? What's your favorite thing to do in the park? And number 5, describe your favorite park. What does it look like? Describe your favorite park. What does it look like? Part 6. Let's create. Draw or describe your perfect park. Draw or describe your perfect park. Use at least 5 of the words from part 1. Use at least 5 of the words from part 1. Then, share your park with the class. Then, share your park with the class. Example, my park has a big playground and tall trees. There is a fountain in the middle, and many people sit on the benches. Children play on the grass and eat ice cream. Here are some ready to use quizzes for the topic English everywhere in the park. They work well as quick reviews, warm ups, or end of lesson checks. I've included different types of multiple choice, true or false, and short answer. So you can mix and match depending on your class level. Quiz 1, vocabulary check, multiple choice. Number 1, you sit on a blank when you are tired. A, path. B, bench. C, tree. D, playground. Answer is letter B. You sit on a bench when you are tired. Number 2, children play on the blank. A, fountain. B, grass. C, playground. D, bench. Answer is letter C. Children play on the playground. Number 3. People walk or jog along the blank. A. Path. B. Tree. C. Grass. D. Bench. Answer is letter A. People walk or jog along the path. Number 4. The water comes out beautifully from the blank. A. Fountain. B. Playground. C. Grass. D. Bench. Answer is letter A. The water comes out beautifully from the fountain. Number 5. You can sit on the blank and eat lunch on a sunny day. A. Tree. B. Grass. C. Playground. D. Fountain. Answer is letter B. You can sit on the grass and eat lunch on a sunny day. Quiz 2. True or false? Number 1. You can read a book while sitting on a bench. You can read a book while sitting on a bench. True or false? Answer is true. Number 2. A fountain is a place where children play football. A fountain is a place where children play football. Answer is false. Number 3. Trees can give you shade on a hot day. Trees can give you shade on a hot day. Answer is true. It is true. Trees can give you shade on a hot day. 4. People usually run on the grass instead of the path. People usually run on the grass instead of the path. Answer is false. Number 5. You can see flowers, trees, and birds in the park. You can see flowers, trees, and birds in the park. Answer is true. Quiz 3. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. I like to take a walk on the path. Number 2. Let's sit on the blank and have a snack. Answer is let's sit on the bench and have a snack. Number 3. The children are playing in the blank. Answer. The children are playing in the playground. Number 4. The blank has clear sparkling water. Answer. The fountain has clear sparkling water. Number 5. We can put our blanket on the blank for a picnic. Answer. We can put our blanket on the grass for a picnic. Quiz 4. Speaking/oral quiz. This is optional. As students, these questions aloud. Give 1 point for a clear answer. 1. What can you see in a park? What can you see in a park? What do you like to do in the park? What do you like to do in the park? Who do you usually go to the park with? Who do you usually go to the park with? Describe one thing you can hear in the park. Describe one thing you can hear in the park. And number 5, what do you think makes a park beautiful? What do you think makes a park beautiful? So there you go guys. This video ends here about in the park, English everywhere. Thanks for watching.